got a tripod. Vic! Vic!
What are you using lights?
I thought there's a wound.
Are you going to continue?
You know, the one sitting there, the one with Isaac, he wants to play. The one,
Only one? Okay.
behind the hole. Or di may naka-next sa inyo? You want? Oh, wait.
Sabi ko gabi. Yes.
Things.
Yeah. And I'm full. I eat one sandwich, I eat a cake.
Just now?
No. From 10. From second game this week, 13.
You're bringing cake?
Mm-hmm.
Ayun, more what?
Right? This is good. Oh, you got them too much healthy. Looks like my heart rate Apit is a little high.
I ate pizza and chicken wings last night. So I need to burn pizza, chicken, and beer.
Beer.
And watching
Oh, yeah, diba? I feel you can improve a lot. Can you get
yeah. He already has smashed me before.
before here is many levels actually, but now this government is very good. Much fast. I can go to the shop.
I buy in head every racket. Right?
Yeah, yes.
Super smash. Because my racket now, it's even balanced.
The one I use, the Shawa is high balance. It's very,
Because I already told you, right? The one who borrowed my head heavy, he did not return it.
ano pala yan?
Kim. Kim.
Lagi? $120. Last game na. Everything.
After I left last Thursday, how many games did we still do?
One part I play with them in their reserve court. So 3 sides.
3 more times? 1 to 3, 1 to 30.
No.
Reserve.
Reserve court. 2 games there. Oh, very relaxed time because when the shot is just so fast, you know.